Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the Epoch 64GB DDR4 3200 RDIMM ECC registered server module. Specifically, we're looking at the MTA36ASF8G72PZ3G31 model. This stick of RAM is designed to breathe new life into your server, offering a substantial upgrade in memory capacity and performance. First off, let's talk about what this memory is. It's a 64GB DDR4 RDIMM, which stands for registered DMM. This is important because registered memory includes a register between the memory controller and the draw modules. This register buffers the commands, reducing the electrical load on the memory controller. This allows servers to reliably support more memory modules than they could with unbuffered memory. The speed is rated at 3,200 metric tons s, which translates to PC4-25600R. This means it can transfer data at a rate of 25,600 megabytes per second. The CL22 latency might not be the absolute tightest on the market, but it's a reasonable trade-off for the stability and capacity you get with registered ECC memory. ECC, or error correcting code, is another crucial feature for server environments. ECC memory can detect and correct single-bit errors, preventing data corruption and system crashes. This is especially important for servers that handle critical data or run mission-critical applications. This module operates at 1.2 V, which is a standard voltage for DDR4 memory. This helps to keep power consumption and heat generation in check. The 288-pin design is the standard for DDR4 DIMMs, so it should be compatible with most server motherboards that support DDR4 ECC registered memory. Epoch is the brand, and while they might not be as widely known as some of the bigger names in the memory market, they stand behind their product with a lifetime warranty and lifetime tech support. This is a huge plus, as it gives you peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case of any issues. They also offer no-hassle returns, which is always a welcome bonus. Now, who is this memory for? It's primarily targeted at servers that require a large amount of RAM for virtualization, database management, or other memory-intensive tasks. If you're running a small business server or a home lab, this could be a great way to boost performance and increase the number of virtual machines you can run. Before you buy, make sure your server motherboard supports DDR4 ECC register memory and that it can handle a 64GB module. Check your motherboard's documentation or the manufacturer's website for compatibility information. In terms of performance, you can expect a noticeable improvement in application responsiveness and overall system stability compared to systems with less RAM or non-ECC memory. The increased memory capacity will allow you to run more applications simultaneously without experiencing slowdowns or crashes. The lifetime warranty and tech support are significant selling points. Knowing that you can get help if you run into any problems and that the memory is covered for its entire lifespan is a huge confidence booster. Overall, the Epoch 64GB DDR4 3200 RDIMM ECC registered server module is a solid choice for anyone looking to upgrade their server's memory capacity and improve its reliability. The ECC protection, combined with a lifetime warranty and tech support, makes it a worthwhile investment for critical server applications. Just be sure to check compatibility with your motherboard before purchasing.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.